Does Instagram notify for a screenshot? This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So Instagram basically let you know that if somebody took screenshot of your story or your chat. So if you are using the Instagram of an updated version, then you have to go on your chat option, and then you want to go on the chat you want to see. Now over here up above you will be able to see another option, that is the eye option. As you click on the eye option, now over here you will be able to see all the options that are over here. Now if you are restricting that person, that he cannot take my, if you click on restrict and restrict that person, that you do not want to take any comments on your pictures, or you don't want him to take screenshot, then you can restrict it from here. If this person wants to take screenshot, then the Instagram will notify you. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.